Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1, and we are learning Unit 16. Its title is Professions. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn how to make a greeting card. Before this, I have taught you how to draw patterns, how to color within lines. So you have learned how to draw these shapes. So this practice is going to help us today in making a greeting card. And we are going to recognize the conventions of a greeting card, draw illustration to make greeting card, write names of addressee and sender. Addressee means the person whom you are writing, and sender, you are going to send the card. And write appropriate words and formulaic expressions. This is our today's SNO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Fatiha, verse 1, all the praise belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Lord of all the worlds. Yes, my dear students, Surah Fatiha is the first surah of Quran, and this is the first verse of Surah Fatiha, which is starting with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah, all the praise, whatever good we could do, this is because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Right? So, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Right, my dear students? So, now you tell me, what does greeting mean? And what are greeting cards? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, what does greeting mean? Greeting means a salutation at meeting. Means when you meet someone, how do you start? How do you exchange salutation? What do we say? We say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, right? And an expression of good wishes. After that, whatever we talk, like have a good day, I hope you're enjoying the best of health. These are good wishes, okay? And regards, we show our love, our regard to others. So whenever we talk to each other, we express it. This is what greeting means. And what does greeting card mean then? So we express these feelings through a card, right? That is greeting card. So a greeting card is a way to show your love, your affection and care. You can make and share cards with your loved ones on different occasions like birthday, Eid, achievement, success and etc. So beta, whenever there is a situation, we express in our words, and if we just give a card, the other person feels very good. So we should share it, right? Like on Eid, we should make Eid cards for each other. We should make birth cards, and we should birthday cards. And we should also make like get well soon, miss you, best wishes, etc. Right? It's a small gesture and the other person feels very good. Like you, and you show that I care for you. Right? So making a card is a very simple activity. How do we do that? And how cards express it? Look at this card. It's a very simple happy birthday to you. So the other card is like that. It's your birthday. Right? And this is a very, first it was a party card and the person is saying, I can't wait for your party. And after that, sorry, I can't make it to your party. So this is how, like instead of saying just in words, if we write a card and give to the person feels good, right? So how do we make cards and what it consists? First you see, write addressee name. So we make the title page and inside we write the name of person whom we are writing. For example, if you are writing to your mother, you will write dear mother or dear father or dear brother or dear sister, or maybe dear friend. And when you write to your friend, you can write the name of your friend as well. Dear Amina, dear Aisha, or boys will write their friend's name like dear Ali, dear Umar, whosoever you are writing. After that, you will wish the person, and sender means you, because you are sending the card. So from, you will write your name here. Do you understand? So first you'll write addressee, the person whom you are writing, then you write a wish, and then you write who is sending this card, and that's you. You write your name from Amina, from Aisha, whosoever is writing, right? Do you understand? So let's see, what does your book say about it? We are going to make a card through an activity. Okay, so dear teachers, for this we are going to follow these steps which are there in your book, and for that we just need a paper and colors, crayons. So make the arrangement, pause the video, give a color sheet to students and crayon and pencil colors, and after that I'm going to arrange this stuff for myself. We'll make a card together. Yes, my dear students, here I have arranged my color sheet. You can take a color sheet of your own choice. So what is the, I hope you have arranged, everyone is holding a color sheet. What is the first step? First of all, we have to fold it. So let's fold this color sheet in two halves. Okay, and this becomes our card. Now with pencil, I'm using marker so that it should be visible to you. You can hold your pencil and start writing, because we are making birthday card. So I will write birthday. If it is a get well soon, you can write get well soon, best wishes, whatever you want to write. Okay, so write in very neat and clean handwriting. So Bismillah, here we go. Happy. So first of all of you write happy. Happy birthday. So this is how we write happy birthday. This is the main thing. Now you can decor it with different things. What do you want to make? Maybe few balloons. You know how to draw a circle or an oval, so just draw it. A little triangle and a thread. This is a balloon. We can make more. Maybe a bunch of balloons. Okay. After this, because your book is saying make a muffin, so let's make a muffin as well. How do we make a muffin? It's not very difficult. Just make a cup. Okay. And here you go. You keep making it. Wow, it's a muffin. Now you can make candles as well. Okay, and you can further decorate with different shapes. For example, if you want to draw panties, we know it's a triangular shape, so we can do it like this. So beta, whatever you want to do to decorate, even I guess you have better ideas, you can follow that. This is how we do with our cards and so on, right? You can make any pattern, any zigzag to decorate. Wow, it's how you can make it colorful. Now you will color it later. What's the other thing? We are going to write it. So we'll write inside whom you are writing. First you'll write the name of addressee. Dear, whom you are going to write? Dear Mama. Let's make it for Mama. Wishing you a very happy birthday, right? Here we go. And after that, beneath you will write from. And you are going to write your name here. From, you will write. You see, this is very simple way of making a card. Now, outside this, whatever you have drawn, you can fill in colors and make it colorful. Even you can draw a few stars if you want to make it further and things like that. So whatever you made, now pause the video, make it colorful, fill in the colors and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. You see, it is not that difficult, very simple. So you can make different type of greeting cards on different occasions. All right. So here it's a homework. What you are going to do, you are going to make a get well soon card, right? So where we have written happy birthday, you will write just get well soon and rest of the things will remain same. So this is your homework. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So this birthday card is already there. You have to color it and you have to complete it, whom you are writing and who is writing the card. So what we have learned today, we have learned to recognize the convention of a greeting card. Draw illustration means we made pictures. So beta, these pictures should also be appropriate. Okay. For example, if you are writing get well soon, you can make flowers and things like that. You will write names of addressee and sender. This is what we learned. And we learned to write appropriate words and formalic expressions. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. And this is the last lecture of grade 1. Now, inshallah, we'll meet in grade 2. Till that time, better work very hard, prepare very well for your final examination, get very good grades. Now, I'll see you in grade 2. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.